if you've noticed, I am standing near a window in my spare bedroom. And I've noticed that a robin has been trying to break in through the glass. I noticed this pecking sound, 72 hours ago, about every 15-20 seconds. And when I started to look around, I noticed that a bird was hitting the window. I don't know what she wants in here. I don't know what it's attracting her to want to do this, but she just keeps, she's very persistent. She's sitting on a wrought iron flower hanger right outside the window, right next to the pine tree. And she just insists on coming in and hitting the window. She's a beautiful robin. I don't see a nest anywhere. I'm not sure, but just about every 15-20 seconds or so, there she goes. She just doesn't give up. She's very persistent. Let's see if she does a couple more times. Yep, there she is. So if anyone has any solutions to how this robin can be deterred or made to stop hitting the window, I think it would be in her better health. So that's the robin story for today on May 30th, 2012, here in Ohio's Amish country. Let's see if she's there yet. I think I would be getting a headache if I was her. She's been doing it almost for 72 hours. See if she's there one more time. Maybe not. Yep, there she is. There she is. You can see right around the window, right around the window. She sits on a perch. There she is. She wants something in here. I don't know what it is. One more time there, little birdie. Oh, she went to a different side. So that's the robin hitting the glass window.